Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. First of all, thank you so much for watching my yesterday's video. As you know, yesterday's video was about how we can improve our speaking skills, English speaking skill, without even going to any spoken English institute. And friends, in today's video, I'm gonna answer another commonly asked question. Friends, let me tell you, for last 2-3 months, I have been asked this question by many people. Most of them say that, sir, we join courses, we also learn from YouTube, we also learn from TV series and other sources. But we don't get a platform where we can implement our learnings. We don't get people in our friend circle who can practice with us. We don't get people who can help us to practice every day. If you are the one who is also facing problems due to this, let me tell you friends, in today's video, I'm gonna recommend some powerful steps which can help you to solve this problem. So friends, I understand you are so concerned about your problem. The problem is you are not able to practice, you are not able to implement your learnings. But friends, don't worry. If you watch this video carefully, if you understand the steps that I'm gonna share with you today, believe me, within few months, this problem will be solved and your speaking skill will go to the next level. So friends, the first technique which can help you to practice speaking English every day is your Google Assistant. I know you are familiar with this. In almost all the Android mobile, there is a feature called Google Assistant. You can start practicing with your Google Assistant. Whatever you ask, your assistant will answer it. And sometimes if you ask, your assistant will also tell you stories. Your assistant can also help you to learn English. If you ask about any grammar concepts, your assistant can help you with that. So that is the first step which can help you to practice how to speak in English. The second technique, I understand sometimes talking to a machine is quite boring. But when we talk to a person, we feel so good, we feel so comfortable, we feel so happy. So don't worry friends. The second step is about an application which can help you to practice with people, practice with like-minded people, practice with people like you who are looking for a way to practice. And the name of this application is Buddy Talk. Write this down, Buddy Talk. This is an Android application which allows you to speak with people. And in that application, you will find people who are in beginner levels, some people who are in intermediate level, and some people who are in advanced level as well. This application allows you to talk to that person for 20 minutes continuously. Isn't it interesting? I know it is. So what are you waiting for? Use your Google Assistant, use Buddy Talk app and start practicing. But friends, getting the answer to the question is very easy. Finding the solution of a problem is very easy. But the most difficult thing is implementation. The most difficult thing is making it a habit. The most difficult thing is making this practice a part of our life. Do you think if you practice for only 7 days and leave it for next 1-2 months, it can help you to improve your speaking skills? I know your answer, not at all. So you have to make it a part of your life. Just like we brush our teeth, just like we take bath, just like we eat food every day, practicing how to speak in English should be a part of your life. Every day, devote at least 30 minutes to practice with your Google Assistant and people in Buddy Talks. And believe me friends, within few months, your English speaking skills will definitely go to the next level. If you like this technique, please comment below and let me know whether it is useful for you or not. Thank you so much, friends.